Joshua Dean had a memory keen. He was strong and he ran every day, but his lungs turned to goo and he had a stroke too. At 46 he was sent on his way. Oh, and Swampy Barnett loved his mother, and he took a lot of pride in his work. He found 300 reasons why a plane couldn't fly, and now he's over his head in the dirt. You can know a lot, you can know a little, but whatever you know, just don't blow the whistle. You can toot a flute, you can play the fiddle, but whatever you do, just don't blow the